How to improve Google Chrome speed on mobile. Hey guys, welcome back. If your Chrome feels slow, laggy, or keeps reloading pages on your phone, these quick fixes can make it noticeably faster. First thing you need to do is go ahead and open up Chrome and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Go to Settings. And from your Settings menu, you need to turn on Data Saver or Light Mode. Just go ahead and scroll down here and find Data Saver. If you don't see it, you can do it separately from the app's settings. The next step is to clear cache on your Chrome. For that, go over to Privacy and Security, tap on Clear Browsing Data, and all you have to do here is clear the cached images and files and not cookies inside data as well as your browsing history. Make sure you select this option right here and then tap on delete data. Once you have done that, it will remove the junk files without logging you out. Then you can disable unused tabs or tab groups. As you can see here, I've got 27 tabs open, so I can tap on it and easily disable all of these tabs. So for that, you can just go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right and then delete or close all tabs. Tap and close all tabs and you'll be good to go. Once you have done that, you can turn off heavy Chrome features like discover feed or preload pages or background syncs. So for that, go over to settings, go to privacy settings, and you can find other options here that you can turn off. Make sure the safe browsing is enabled and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.